welcome back to Reid Likes. Today I'm going to be talking about nature. Hi guys, I'm at Manistee National Forest. Hear that? It's a waterfall up there. It's a waterfall! Waterfall. Now there's just a baby waterfall. Or called a stream. This stream is going under this big tree, and you can kind of see it through here. You can kind of see the reflections. And it goes all the way under this tree, I think, too. And it comes back right here, and that tiny waterfall over there connects to this stream. This tree has a bunch of woodpecker holes in it. It has like 1, 2, I can't even count. It's like all wrapped around this tree. If you get a flat enough stone, you can skip it. I did 2 skips. I think I can do better than that. Second attempt to skip a really good rock. That was really fun. Make sure you always have a grown-up with you. That was my dog Gunner. He likes to photobomb on...
Check out Owen DeVries Sports Network on YouTube.
Awesome content like this, make sure you like and subscribe and smash that bell. Okay guys, if this video gets 100 views, I will smash 5 eggs on my head. See ya.